Welcome back, Harbor Freight Bros. Today, I'm going to go over the top 5 deals that we just went over from these new spring savings coupons. Again, they're going through May 11th, and I've gone through most of them. And not to say that some of the other ones aren't good deals, but these are the 5 deals in these super coupons that are at their best price or very close to it. So we'll go ahead and jump right into those. And just before I go over those, if you find these useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. I appreciate it greatly. Fist bump, even though you can't see it. So first, we have this Voyager 12-inch tool tote with 18 pockets for $7.99. It shows 27% off, was $10.99, has great reviews, and you save 86% compared to the Tough Built. This expires the 11th. So here we go. This is actually, it's like a double deal. It's a little bit weird. They have this listed in the instant savings. Now this instant savings goes through June 5th. So it's about $1 off. But of course, there is a super coupon for it right now, which has it at almost $3 off, 27%. And to verify that, looking at the price history, this has been out since April 2021. It came out about $10 and has gone as high as $13 in the past. And it's fluctuated prices recently. There have been a few deals putting it at $9, but this most recent super coupon of $7.99 is the lowest that it's been at. So this is the lowest price that this tool tote 12-inch 18 pockets have been at. So this is a great buy. Lowest price it's been with this coupon. Next, the Pittsburgh 8-inch multi-purpose stainless steel scissors for $6.99. This is the super coupon again. Expires on the 11th of May, showing 12% off, which on the front end doesn't seem all that great, although 12% is decent. Was $7.99, saving 62% compared to the Crescent Wes Snip at $18.66. Maybe I'll start adding what they're comparing them to. Maybe that'll be interesting to go over. So here are these Crescent Wiz 8.5-inch. These are at Home Depot. I love Crescent, I'm not gonna lie. Steel Easy Utility Snip showing $13.49 at Home Depot. Now these might not be the exact same ones. They look pretty similar, but even then, these are still drastically less at $6.99. So that's interesting. If you want me to do those comparisons, let me know. But here is showing $7.99 normal price. And of course, price history showing history. They used to be $10 back in 2021. They've only changed price once or twice, going down to $9, back up to $10, and then back down to $8 last October. And this deal has it at $6.99. So this is, at least according to the tracker, the first deal they have on these 8-inch multi-purpose stainless steel scissors at 20% off. Best deal at Harbor Freight on these scissors. Next, Pittsburgh 11-inch pliers for $3.99. That already sounds like an incredible deal. Was $5.99, 33% off. I'm in. 90-degree bent nose long reach. You can do the 45-degree bent nose long reach or just the long reach needle nose. They're saying save 66% compared to clutch. Listed at $4.99, which is always weird because these prices don't always match. This is saying it was $5.99 here when purchased online. Maybe that's the difference. When purchased online, it's $4.99, but according to the history of these 11-inch 90-degree bent nose long reach pliers, they came out at $5 back in March of 2021, went up in price to $6, and recently came down in April to $5. And now for this coupon, it's down to $4. So it seems pretty unbeatable. Best price that it's been at Harbor Freight. Next, the Badland ZXR 3,500 pound UTV Power Sport winch with automatic load holding brake for $109.99, showing $30 off, was $140 compared to the Keeper, save $166. Price does match on the actual website of $139.99, includes 2 remote controls, and the price history for this ATV Power Sport winch 12 volt shows that it came out also 2021, or at least been tracking since 2021. Came out at $150, went up to $160 soon after, and it's fluctuated in price pretty decently and has been as low as $130 regular price more recently. Its most recent change was back in March of last year at $140. Been multiple sales that listed at $130. The best sale did have it going down, looks like last month, down to $99. But this most recent sale is at $109. So not the best price that this Badland has been to, but pretty close. So $109.99, only once has it been cheaper. Unfortunately, it was earlier this month. But nonetheless, $109.99, very close to its best price at Harbor Freight. And then last but not least, we have the Icon 3/8" drive, 20 to 100 foot-pound professional split beam torque wrench for $89.99, showing that it was $100, $10 off, which of course is 10%. Compare it to Snap-on, save $348, and the current price is accurate on the website. And according to the price history, started tracking in June of 2023, came out at $120, did go down in price soon after, and it's been this price since August of 2023 at the $100. And at least it's only showing 2 coupons earlier this year in February down to $90, and then this one going through the 11th of May for $90. Now I will say for this one, this was part of a deal a few months back where I believe these were between 30 and 40% off. And this obviously was one of the popular torque wrenches to get. I believe it was 40% off. So don't know if they'll do that again this year. But of course, if they do, I will make a video and let you know as soon as I know. That being said, $89 for a coupon for this specific tool is the best price that this has been at. Of course, you can get these if you ever get the 15% off, which those have been happening often, or if you're getting the all-powerful 25% off in your email. And I'll leave it at that. These are the best deals that I saw according to the price history. Again, not to say that the other ones aren't deals, but these are at their lowest price. So definitely something to consider. And again, something else to consider is consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.